So good morning children, good morning everyone. So children, how are you? 5th class children, how are you? I hope all are fine and all are reading whatever I am telling the lessons. You are going through the textbook, I am hoping that. So good morning everyone, and don't take it is easy. Next year you are going to 6th class. So already it has been completed. From June we will start the June, July, August, September, October, November. It has become 6 months. So don't delay your subjects. So we are telling for you only online classes. So don't delay. మీరు దీన్ని ఈజీగా తీసుకోకండి. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ తీసుకొని కనీసం టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ ద్వారానన్నా మీరు చదివితే you will be feel better for your next year. It will be free. So when we will start schools we don't know, but you take the textbooks and go through. Why? Because if you have textbooks, you can read it off. So next year it will be easy for you, 6th class. So please take the textbooks. Why? Because I am telling for our profit we are not telling. మా కోసం నేను చెప్పట్లేదు, మీ కోసం చెప్తున్నాం. These textbooks if you have, జస్ట్ గోయింగ్ త్రూ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ నౌ, నేను ఏమేమి చెప్తున్నాను, టీచర్ ఇది చెప్తుంది, ఈ ఒక పారాగ్రాఫ్ చెప్తుంది నాకు అర్థమైంది, నేను చెప్తూ ఉంటా, మీరు వింటూ ఉంటారు, బుక్స్ లేవు ఏం, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అ వేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ అ టైమ్. సో ప్లీజ్ టేక్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ దట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇన్ ద స్కూల్ వీ హ్యావ్ అవైలబుల్. సో నౌ ఐ am telling, yesterday I told you the lesson number 8 I have been started. So now I will explain you again once again the lesson number 8, that is at the airport. So here lesson number 8, that is at the airport. So here everyone know what is mean by airport. So we have completed 7 lesson in the English. Okay, 5th class students, we have completed 7 lessons here. So I am hoping that from first lesson to 7 lessons you have once gone through it. My shadow in sea, that may be shellfish, giant, rainforest song, animal. Next I am a jet plane. Now the first road trip, that is at the airport. Now we are moving to the at the airport. So here we are moving to the new lesson, that is airport. So here at the airport, everyone know why we will go to airport. If you want to go to another country and if you want to go to any other place, that is main fastest quickest, అంటే త్వరగా ఎక్కడికన్నా వెళ్ళాలి అనుకుంటే within an hours we want to go to anywhere, so we have to go to air. Why? Because to go on the aeroplane. So here what is a trip, why they given at the airport. So here who is going to the airport, where they are going, which country they are going, we will learn in this lesson now. So this is the lesson, that is at the airport. So children, listen carefully. If you don't have textbook, first please listen carefully, and once if you have textbook, go through it. Okay, go through it. దాన్ని చదివి మీరు కూడా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. సో హియర్ షీలా ఈజ్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ అబౌట్ ద సమ్మర్ హాలిడేస్ దట్ ఆర్ జస్ట్ ఎ వీక్ అవే. షీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ on a trip to Singapore with her parents. She find out all that she can about the place to visit in the Singapore. She also keeps all her things ready for the trip. Sheila is also thrilled about flying on Singapore Airlines. She has heard so much about their flights, entertainment and variety of activities for children. So here the character is about Sheila. She is Sheila, she was very excited. Summer holidays has been going to come. So here she is excited to listen about her trip, that is she is going to Singapore. She is going to the Singapore. So here she is going for a summer trip, that is Singapore. She is going with her parents. So here what she is telling, she was very excited, chala santoshanga undi she went. Why? Because she is going to Singapore. It is a very good place. She is going with her parents, that is also in the aeroplane. So she was very excitement for this to visit the Singapore. Next she was keep when we go to anywhere, not when we go to any village also we will keep our things, whatever we needs, మనకేం అవసరం ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ మనం మన దగ్గర పెట్టుకుంటాం. Like that only she also, she kept her things ready. So here she was thrilled by flying to the Singapore. So here Singapore Airlines, that is she heard so much about that airlines. She was heard అంటే చాలా అందరి గురించి ఆ యొక్క ఎయిర్లైన్స్ గురించి చాలా ఎక్కువగా విన్నది. ఎవరు? షీలా. ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ అండ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఆఫ్ ద చిల్డ్రన్స్. ఫైనల్లీ స్కూల్ క్లోజ్డ్ అండ్ వన్ డే the tube arrives. Sheila's father tells that they have to reach airport 3 hours before the flight departs. This is quick puzzle for Sheila. Why do we need to go to airport 3 hours, Papa? So when we went to Kolkata, we went only about an hour before the flight departs. So next we are going to buy Singapore Airlines, which is international flight, as Singapore is different country. There are few formalities at the airport that had been taken a while. So here what he is telling? So here he is telling now the summer holidays has come. So now the Sheila's father what he told, now we have to go to airport. So we have to go to airport. So before 3 hours we have to go and stay there. Because why? Because there is some formality. So here Sheila asked the question, why we have to go 3 hours before Papa? She raised the question to her Papa. Why we have to go to 3 hours before? She is asking. Her Papa replied that we have to go in previous we went to Kolkata. There only an hour we have, because it is a small country. So small country means it is the nearest place that we have gone for very fastly. So only 1 hour before we went. This is the international flight airport. So there will be some formalities. So konni formalities it will be there. Ante konni formalities untayi. So we have to go 3 hours before for that. So they have some formalities that they will check all our luggage, it may be whatever it may be, they will check. So we have to go 3 hours before. So you have to go fastly. That is an international airport. That is Singapore is international flights, as Singapore is a different country. So there are few formalities at the airport that we have to go fastly. Sheila and her parents reached the airport exactly 3 hours before to the departure time. Sheila's father gets a trolley from the stand where many trolleys are arranged together neatly. A trolley has wheel and handle and help the passengers to push their heavy luggage without any discomfort. He then puts their luggage on the trolley and Sheila and her mother go along with him with their small bag. So here they went before. So here we have to take a punctuality. So whenever we want to go to school, in the time we have to maintain. So here also they maintain the time. They went before 3 hours before. So at same time what they have to go, they went there 3 hours before to the airport. So they were very first they entered to the airport. After that a trolley has came to Sheila father has on a trolley. So why trolley will come to take our luggage? So they had preferred there in the airport luggage. So they have whatever they are taking luggage, they have to keep on the trolley. The trolley will push and it will only take our luggage. So here it is a very discomfort ఇంత బాధ లేకుండా, there is no మనకు ఎక్కువగా బర్డన్ లేకుండా the trolley has been very neatly and she is only taking along with her. So here only the sum of the luggage, whatever small bags are there, the Sheila and Sheila mother's father has been taken. So small luggages they had put in their hands and they were taken. Full of the luggage they has been kept in the luggage trolley. At the entrance gate of airport, security personnel checked their tickets and allowed them in the entrance. So here the personnel checks here when we enter into the airport, he will check our passports as well as tickets. Then they go through the waiting lobby for visitors and enter the check-in area. So they were waiting in the lobby. So here the lobby room will be there where they should sit and wait for the entrance, wait for the areas, check out. Okay, first their luggage need to be scanned. So here the luggage must be scanned. X-ray scan untundi, it has to be scanned. Whether heavy luggage is there, whether they have to take that luggage or not to the airport. So ikkada airport lo enta avsaram unna luggage maatrame పంపిస్తారు. ఎక్కువ లగేజ్ ఉంటే ఎక్కువ మనీ పే చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. లేదు మేము ఇంతే తీసుకెళ్తాము అని అనుకుంటే అంతే లగేజ్ పంపిస్తారు. సో ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళకి అవసరం ఉన్న లగేజ్ మాత్రమే తీసుకెళ్ళని ఇస్తారు. ఎక్స్ట్రా లగేజ్ ఏదైనా వేస్ట్ లగేజ్ ఉండి వాళ్ళకి అలో లేని లగేజ్ని తీసుకెళ్ళరు. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఆల్సో ఫస్ట్ మెషిన్లో దే విల్ బి స్కాన్డ్. So here the luggage will be scanned in extra machine by security personnel indicate article that are not permitted of aircraft. So here ticketed articles are not permitted. akkada permission levu nenu cheppanu. So whatever it must be used in the airport, that one only will take in the aeroplane. The wastage whatever they will not allocation leni oka luggage ni they will keep there only. Next, Sheila's father loads the luggage on the machine one of the time and collect them from the end of the machine after they screen. The security personnel put a seal of a security on each piece of luggage. Come Sheila, we need to go to check in the counter now, her mother said. So here they had kept all over the luggage in the luggage machine, and with the machine will be scanning. ఆ స్కానింగ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ మెషిన్ దగ్గర ముందు పెడుతూ ఉంటాం. యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ ఇన్ ద in Hyderabad, anyone if you went in the there మెట్రో రైల్లో మీరు ఎవరైనా వెళ్ళి ఉంటే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. ఒక మెషిన్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ మెషిన్లో ఏవి పెట్టినా అవి స్కాన్ అవుతూ వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. అందులో మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఎలాంటి నైఫ్ అన్నా లేదంటే పిన్, చాకు, లేదంటే అవసరం లేనివి మనం యూజ్ చేస్తే వాడు తెలిసిపోతుంది, వాడు మనం రిటర్న్ అవి వాడు గుంజేసుకుంటాడు, మనల్ని పట్టుకొని వెళ్తాడు. అలానే ఎయిర్పోర్ట్లో కూడా ఏదన్నా వేస్ట్ లగేజ్ ఉంటే స్కాన్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. అలానే ఫస్ట్ ఇట్లా పెట్టంగానే అది స్కాన్ అవుతుంటూ మళ్ళీ అక్కడ లాస్ట్కి వస్తుంది వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ కలెక్ట్ చేశారని చెప్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ ఈ యొక్క పారాగ్రాఫ్లో 4th. సో హియర్ ద లగేజెస్ కేమ్. కమ్ షీలా, వీ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు ద కౌంటర్. చెకింగ్ కౌంటర్కి వెళ్ళాలి అని హర్ మదర్ హ్యాస్ కాల్డ్ ద షీలా. దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎ క్యూ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ their check-in counter and they wait for their turn. So you know everyone, wherever we go, airport, it may be whatever it may be, we have to stay in a queue line to comes when our turn it comes. When the turns come, an attendant helps to put their luggage on the waiting machine to check if they are carrying excess baggage. People who can carry excess baggage need to pay extra money, but luckily Sheila and her family are traveling light. So here I told for you. So here the machine checking counter they went, the turns came, వాళ్ళ యొక్క వంతు వచ్చింది. So its turn came, then they have kept their luggage there, and after they are keeping their luggage, so they are luckily there is no extra luggage. If the extra luggage is there, they have to pay there. So there is luckily Sheila and Sheila father has luckily there is no extra luggage over. So the luggage is very light. Now they can take their luggage. Then the check-in officer checks the passport and ticket and issue board to them. Their luggage is tagged with their names and destination and put the moving belt is called conveyor belt to be taken to aircraft by means of luggage van. So here the luggage has been checked, it is very light, and now they have keeping the tags, అంటే వాళ్ళ యొక్క పేరు, వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ వెళ్తున్నారు అనేసి ఆ యొక్క బ్యాగ్స్కి వాళ్ళకి ట్యాగ్ వేసి నా ఒక వ్యాన్లోనూ వాళ్ళని ఎక్కించేసి పంపిస్తారు. ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ లోపలికి పంపించేశారు. వాళ్ళ యొక్క అన్నీ చెక్ చేశారు, టికెట్స్ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి చెక్ చేసి వాళ్ళకి ట్యాగ్స్ వేసి ఎయిర్ వ్యాన్లోకి ఎక్కి పంపించేశారు. దాన్ని ఏమంటారంట, కన్వీయర్ బెల్ట్ అని అంటారంట. కన్వీనియర్ బెల్ట్ రన్స్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ అండ్ లగేజ్ పీస్ కెన్ బి పుట్ ఇన్ దెమ్ అండ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ బై మూవ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ బెల్ట్. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బెల్ట్, కన్వీనియర్ బెల్ట్, the luggage will move very fastly. Okay, they put security tags on the small bags and laptop, and they are allowed to take along with them inside the. So here whatever they will keep tags for the luggage, it may be laptop, it may be the persons, they have to it is very convenient to move in the airport and it is aircraft. Daddy, I am hungry, says Sheila. So here, after this all has been formalities has been completed, when they are ready to go to sit in the aircraft, so Sheila has told, I am hungry. Hungry ante aakaliga undi. She says, then go to cafeteria. So here in the airport we will be a cafeteria, that is loggy room area. They eat some sandwiches. So here akkada cafeteria ani oka untundi, akkada manaki em doruktayi, sandwiches dorukayanta. So they has eaten because they are hungry. There are attractive shops too in this area. Sheila wants to go to bookshop as she loved to read. Her mother takes her along to the bookshop. Sheila wants 2 books by Roald Dahl and some comics. So here some books by Roald Dahl and some comics ane oka books she has shown in the attractive, ante avi book shops unnai in the aircraft. When they went inside of the airport, they have seen some book shops. So attractive book shops unnai. So Sheila is interested in reading comics and some books. So that is Roald Dahl's and some comics she has been taken with along with her mother. She went to the bookshop and she has taken the books. Her mother buys the books for the magazines for herself. So here they buy some books and magazines for themselves. They are relaxed for some time in a loggy. Sheila watches the other passengers hurriedly along as a guessing game with her mother about the destination to which the people are headed. So they are now they have been relaxed. So ikkada they have been relaxed now. So they relaxed and they went and sit in the loggy room. After that they are reading some books, they are also seeing some. So whatever Sheila is observing who is coming here, really they will come in the airport because some may be late, some may be have luggage for so much. కొంతమందికి కొన్ని అక్కడ బాధలు అనేవి ఫేస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. అవన్నీ తను అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ అందరినీ చూస్తూ ఇప్పుడు ఆ యొక్క వ్యాన్లో ఎక్కింది. నెక్స్ట్, షీలాస్ ఫాదర్ కీప్స్ అన్ ఐ ఆన్ ద డిస్ప్లే ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్ departure schedules on the LCD screen. So here the LCD screen is that. So Sheila's father keep eyes on the display of the flight. So that is the LCD. Some schedules are there. So he is seeing that schedule in the LCD TV. Their flight to Singapore is an hour late than official time. So here and a time hour. అక్కడ ఉన్న యొక్క షెడ్యూల్ ఉంటుంది. నా ట్రైన్కి వెళ్ళినా మనం అక్కడ షెడ్యూల్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ద షెడ్యూల్ వాట్ ఎవర్ షెడ్యూల్ ఇట్ విల్ బి దే. సో ద టైమ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి నాట్ అరైవ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద దేర్. సో ఇయర్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ 1 hour late it is their flight, Singapore flight. There are LCD television showing the latest news. There are LCD TVs that they are showing the latest news. Sheila would have been happier and they shown her favorite animation channel. Here she is very happy. Why? Because they are shown their animation channel, means cartoon networks. So here they started in LCD TV lo they had kept. She was very happy that she got her wish. Okay, that they should always, small children always they want to see cartoon networks animation, that it may be Pogo or some joke comics, చిన్న కామిక్స్ అలాంటివి వాళ్ళు చూడాలనుకుంటారు. సో షీ హాజ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ సీయింగ్ దట్ ఆల్. Sheila would have been happier and shown favorite animation channel. They spend their time reading and watching television. So here they had started seeing television, that may be magazines, that may be newspaper. They are spending their time watching the TV and reading the magazines. Finally, it is time for their security check. Finally, it is now time to secure. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళ యొక్క time comes, an hour it is late. So now finally it has came their turn to go to the security. Announcement are being made about it. All passengers flying to Singapore by the Singapore Airlines flight, please process for the secure check. So here in the airport they will call like that only, what they will call. So whoever they are going to the Singapore, please come over to the checkout room and go and they have to arrive in the aeroplane and sit in the aeroplane. So how they will call in the announcement? All the passengers flying to Singapore. ఎవరైతే passengers సింగపూర్కి వెళ్తున్నారో by the Singapore flight, that flight please process for the security checkup దగ్గరికి రావాలి and you have to go to check up. They are called. They proceed for security check along with their other passengers. Now they are ready with other passengers. They are moving to the entrance of the checkup. Here their handbags are also screened in an extra machine. So here the handbag, everything they will be checked in the extra machine, because whatever a small pin also there, they will take off and they will throw out. Even they don't need to physically checked by police personally as they added security measures. So here when they go to the entrance, nowadays corona is there, they are checking very sincerely. In the previous also they used to check by police, by the personal and security measures. From the security check area, they entered another waiting loggy. After the checking, another loggy they went off. They sit down and wait for boarding announcement for the flight. So now they has completed every checking and they went to another loggy room and they were started to waiting for the announcement to go and sit in the flight. What a long time we need to spend in the airport, Daddy, Sheila says. Her father smiles and says, think of all beautiful places we visit in Singapore. So if we go anywhere, it may be late. అంటే కొంచెం లేట్ అయిందంటే పిల్లలు ఏమంటారు, అబ్బా ఎంతసేపు ఉండాలి మమ్మీ, అబ్బా ఎంతసేపు ఉండాలి డాడీ. లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ Sheila is also telling to her father, that is Sheila is telling to her father what she is telling Sheila, but daddy, how much time we have to wait, how much time we have to wait for the go in a flight, it is a very too much of time we are taking. So when we will go, so what her father told, so you think which places we will go there, okay, you just remember it, which nice places we will go there and visit. So think about beautiful places that we will visit, అంటే మనం అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి అన్నీ చూడడానికి వెళ్ళేది ఒకసారి థింక్ చేయాలి. దిస్ లాగీ ఏరియా హ్యాస్ గ్లాస్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ అరౌండ్. దే కెన్ సీ ఎయిర్క్రాఫ్ట్ ల్యాండింగ్ అండ్ డిపార్టింగ్. Sheila watches the different aircrafts and tries to identify them along with her father. So now they went to loggy room. That మొత్తం అన్ని ఏరోప్లేన్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి వాళ్ళకు. వాళ్ళు మొత్తం అద్దం కవర్ విత్ గ్లాస్. దే హ్యావ్ కవర్డ్ విత్ గ్లాస్. విత్ ద గ్లాస్ ద ఎయిర్ క్రాఫ్ట్స్ మొత్తం ఒక ఏరోప్లేన్స్ వాళ్ళకి కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. దట్ the Sheila and her father is watching along with them. So now finally the departure of a flight to Singapore is announced. Singapore Airlines flight is ready for departure. So now it is ready to departure. Now we have to go. Announcement has came. The Singapore flight is going to arrive from the Singapore Airlines. So come, all the passengers are allowed to come and go to the flight. So here airlines flight is ready for departure. Passengers please proceed to gate 2 for departure. Sheila jumped up with the joy and follows her parents to departure gate from where they are taken by the bus to their aircraft. So here at last the announcement came to go to airlines. So here they have to go to now airlines. That Manvi has came, so she was very enjoying, joyful. She has jumped from the seat and she was going very enjoyingly with the van to the seat and arrive from the Singapore Airlines. So here they have sat in the airport. So here Singapore flight has been now landing from the Singapore Airlines. This is the lesson that at the airport. So here Sheila, how excited to go. So we are also anywhere if we go, మనం ఎక్కడికన్నా వెళ్ళాలి, అదే ఏరోప్లేన్లో అంటే మనకైతే ఆకాశం కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇక సో మనకి ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది, మనం ఒకవేళ వెళ్ళాలి అనుకున్నాం అనుకో, మనకి కనుక ఏరోప్లేన్ ఎక్కాలనే అవకాశం వస్తే మనం ఆమె జస్ట్ హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయింది. ఎందుకంటే ఆమె ఇంకొక ఆల్రెడీ షీ వెంట్ సో మెనీ టైమ్స్, 2 times, twice she went. So here we didn't went any time. So now if we have a choice to go, we will jump with we don't have legs there, just we will go in the air only. మనం గాల్లోనే ఎగురుతాం ఏరోప్లేన్. సో here at last they went to the Singapore. So now we have completed the lesson, that is 8th lesson. So I am telling children, please ప్లీజ్ అండ్ ప్లీజ్ గో త్రూ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ చదవండి. నేను చెప్పింది కాకుండా కూడా మీరు కూడా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఒకసారి ముందర పెట్టుకొని నేను చెప్పేది ఏంది చూస్తూ ఉంటే మీకు కూడా కనిపిస్తాయి. సో జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్ ద పిక్చర్ దట్ ఈస్ ఏరోప్లేన్. సో హౌ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ ద loggy room. In the queue they start counter. Next the van which they are moving. So here animation, see cartoon. Next at last the flight is moving. So thank you children to listen my lesson carefully. Please go through the textbooks. Okay, thank you very much children. Thank you very much.